We know that blood is oxygenated before systemic circulation, but there is a little amount of the blood that can escape this oxygenation process and enters the systemic circulation as deoxygenated blood. This escape or diversion of deoxygenated blood is known as physiological shunt. Physiological shunt results in the venous admixture. Venous admixture means mixing of deoxygenated blood with oxygenated blood. Flow of deoxygenated blood from bronchial circulation into the pulmonary veins without being oxygenated, and flow of deoxygenated blood from the basin vein into the cardiac chamber directly. Normal physiological shunt of venous blood to the left side of heart is 1% to 2%. In normal person, it may increase up to 5% of the cardiac output, which may be due to the mismatching of ventilation-perfusion ratio within physiological limits. Fraction of venous blood which is not fully oxygenated is generally considered as wasted blood. Physiological shunt is analogous to the physiological dead space. Physiological shunt include wasted blood and the physiological dead space include wasted air. Both wasted blood and wasted air exist on either side of alveolar membrane and both affect the ventilation-perfusion ratio. Pathological increase in the shunt occurs in several conditions: acute pulmonary infections and bronchiectasis. A pulmonary shunt often occurs in the pulmonary edema, causing part of the lung to be unventilated, although they are still perfused. Intrapulmonary shunting is the main cause of hypoxemia and conditions such as pneumonia in which the lungs become consolidated. This was all about the physiological shunt. Remember that this occurs in a very small amount during normal process, but it is elevated in disease conditions.